And today we're going to make the hamburger. And first, you have to prepare some ingredients. The first one is your ground meat. And then here is 2 eggs. You can use the egg yolk or the whole eggs. And then the third is the chopped onion. And this is only the unscrambled. And I made some scrambled onion with garlic, and it would add more flavor. And besides that, about your favorite, this is the black pepper, okay, and the soybean oil a little bit, and that's it. And don't forget about the most important, your cheese. So that's it. So let's begin. I'll wash my hands first. Okay, about the ground meat, now we just mix with our eggs and our onion. That's it. Today's bowl is not big enough. And the scrambled onion and garlic. And last night, we start to add our salt inside, a little bit, and don't forget your black pepper. You can mix some with the ground meat first, and when you are cooking the burger, you can add more. Okay? And the third one is your soybean sauce, a little bit. Don't make it too salty because your cheese is salty too. Okay? And then keep mixing. And it's better to when you finish the mixing, it's better to just keep your ground meat to wait for maybe 10 minutes to make sure all the flavor mixed with the meat better. Okay. Use 2 hands. And this one. Today I prepared 2 boxes of ground meat, so it's enough for us to make about maybe 8 or 9 burgers. And I have to make sure they mix together. So tomorrow, today is rehearsal. Tomorrow when you are making it, I think the most challenging part is mixing the ground meat, okay? And don't forget to bring a big one, a bigger bowl for you to mix the ground meat. I think it's almost ready. Okay. Now, when you do that at home, you just keep the ground meat, mixed ground meat to wait for about 10 minutes. Okay? And then when you finish the ground meat, you just heat the pan and put some oil inside. And today, because we got a lot of ground meat, so we can put more oils. And besides that, about the ground meat, and make sure your hands clean. And you have to shape the ground meat into, it depends on how much meat you have. I think that's just like that. Okay, and make it as a patty. Okay, and you can see, sometimes you see the TVs, they would flip over the patty is to make sure there's no air inside. Okay, and then put it in. Okay. Don't make it too big, because it's okay. And that's the second one. Okay. Third one. And tomorrow, you have to do me a favor to bring one more your pan here. You can see which one can help to bring a pan, because I don't have enough pan. We need 3, right? 3 pans. One is, no, two pans. And today Isabella, because Bella is vegetarian, right? So we will make 5 meat burgers for 5 of you and 4 for the teachers. And Bella, I will prepare the vegetarian burger for you tomorrow. Okay, use cheese apple. And also your favorite French fries. Okay, that's it. So, and cut. And now we have put our ground meat into the pan and start out frying, and you can shape it when you're cooking it, and don't flip it too early. You have to make sure how much time we need. I think it's about 10 minutes. It's better. So you just, and don't make the fire too strong, and just in case you burn it. Besides that, we start to put more black pepper. It's not spicy, so you can add more. When you flip at, it's better for you to have a spoon or fork, or even just like me, chopsticks, to help you to flip it. And when you hold it, you make sure has it shaped or not. That's it. Like that. Good. And then you squeeze it a little bit, don't too hard to make the patty bigger. I can see my patty. Okay. This is the last one, so we flip it later. But what can we do with these chopsticks? Does anybody know that? Yeah. Just yeah. Put that in your patty to make sure your patty is done already. How do you know it's done? It's not soft, right? It's the ground meat is hard enough, right? Just like you put on any kind of meat. Like this one. So, that's it. And you can see some water comes out from the onion. And why I scramble some onion first? Because the scrambled onion will make the ground meat more some sweet from the vegetables. Change the weight. Move this one inside better. Okay. And then I think it's time for us to use chopsticks to. It's not to make sure it's done already, or it just help the heat come into the patty better. Okay. And that's okay. When we done the frying, it's time for us to create the burger. So the last part, creating the burger, is much easier. You just prepare your patty, and if you want to prepare the sliced tomato, it's okay. Lettuce, it's okay. But today, we just have the meat and our cheese and our burger bun. Okay. One side for 5 minutes. I think it's good enough. Okay, now the patty is done, so you just be careful to put the patty on the bun. And today we only prepared the patty. Wait a minute. Only prepare the patty and the cheese. So and later, why is it so difficult to open it? Okay. That's it. And just make sure your hands clean and put it on it. I got a better idea. Okay, and you can cover it. Now, I have a better idea to put the cheese first onto the patty. This one. Just wait for it melting. 的 Olivia. Okay, that's it.